Good morning, people. I quickly want to share this with you. This is a self-made, basically drum sander that I built. You can see I glued a piece of sandpaper to a dowel with double-sided tape, so it has a bit of compression. Then I made basically a thrust bearing, but it acts as a normal side-to-side bearing, so I don't screw up the bushing or the bearing inside here, because a drill press is not meant for side pressure. It's pretty much straightforward. Turn on and send. And that's all. It's not a very advanced system, but it works a charm. Peace be with you. Have a good day.